Hey everybody, happy Monday. Today is May 7th, the 7th day of crafting. We were challenged by Jan's Crazy Life to craft every day in the month of May. And today is my 7th. So this is what I have put together. The girls know that it's coming, but I don't know if they know in depth what I've done. So yesterday when I went to the Dollar Tree, I found amazing stuff, brand new stuff at the Dollar Tree. And if you haven't seen that haul, go look for it. I did a live, and the stuff at Dollar Tree just blew me away. Can't believe how much new stuff they have. But anyways, so they have journaling, traveler's notebook type stuff to put in the binders. So the girls were watching. Char can't pick some of the stuff up. She hadn't seen it. And Paula from Crafts by P. Willie said the same thing. And I owed Crafts by P. Willie Happy Mail because I won a beautiful Coach wristlet as a giveaway she was having. Please go check out both of their Facebook pages, their YouTube channels. So now I'm going to show you what I did. All three are the same. Hers was the same color also, but when I was punching the holes, I punched it on the bottom. I don't know how I did that. So these are from the Dollar Tree, and I punched the holes in with my crocodile. This also came from the Dollar Tree, and the reason why I'm running it this way versus this way is because it would bend the file folders or the tabs. So when you open it up, look at how cute. I made paper clips for YouTube. Aren't they adorable? And then I made her own little logo. Remember, all this stuff came from the Dollar Tree. The ruler, the errands notepad. Then these were separate, and I decided to put them all on a card. How stinking cute is that, right? And then Dollar Tree now has, this is all inserts from the Dollar Tree. Dividers, the weekly agenda. The pack of dividers comes in 3s. Get it, girl. A set of notepads. And then their divider says, be bold, be kind, be brave, be you in all that you do. Then they had another package of internet passwords. And then they had 2 beautiful, look at these, folders. And then I made an additional folder myself. And then I add my little Made with Love. And then I made her this. So in addition to this Happy Mail, didn't this come out amazing? Amazing. In addition to this, I made her a pen out of the flower from Dollar Tree and the thing. And then I am including some stickers for her. And I made her something special. Oh, look, I made her own tags. One says Made with Love, Paula. And then the other one says Made with Love, Crafts by P. Willie. Aren't these the greatest? So thank God I remembered to put them in here. So these are going in the mail today. So I got up extra early, got it done. I want to put these somewhere. You know what? Look at how cute right there. And I want them in the mail today. So, loving this. How great is this? So, this is my craft for the day. I think the editing part of this craft is going to be the hardest thing. I filmed every aspect of this. I just don't know what I'm going to show and what I'm not. But look at how cute these are. Right? And I added 3 holes. 3 holes, so if they wanted to dangle other stuff, they could. Now I have to show you this. Last week, before they had all that stuff in there, I created my own, and I added Donald Duck and Tink. And this is actually my YouTube binder. And I did have other inserts in it. Let me show you. Because I was trying to create almost like a traveler's notebook, but in a binder. So mine had, let me see if I'll put it back in there. Oh, sorry for Chansey. Shh, Chansey man. I actually purchased the lined paper from Walmart. These are January, the year. I'm going to find a way to incorporate that in here. This is weekday stuff, and I didn't know how I wanted to actually use this, so this is actually a work in progress for me. But I do keep, I do keep YouTube statistics and all my, I guess my first upload on this channel was back in 2016. I think I'm up to like almost 170 videos right now. But prior to this channel, I had a different channel. You'll have to check it out. YouTube won't let me back in it because it's not, I don't remember the password. So I don't have access to it. But let me just see something. But anyways, I'm going off on a tangent. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed the process of this video, which I'm not even sure how it's going to work out. Please give a shout out to Sparkling Char and Paula at Crafts by P. Willie. Sparkling Char and Crafts by P. Willie. Alright? And of course me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. So, look at that. Look at all these cute little binders. Alright everybody, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Okay, so I am thinking this. So how they came, where did they go? Okay, see how these come in a package? I want to create it on here, but with a design. So, I want that to go there, that to go there. I want them to wind up being on a card, right? Follow me. But I want it to stick in here. But I need it to be above. I want them to stay in here. So I have to make slits. And then I have that. Oh, I have it. I know what to do. Check this out. We're going to put it into a binding ring. And we're going to attach that there. Ta-da! Yay! Check this out. I'm so excited. I'm thinking a pretty pink or green to match those. Hard to do on video, so let's see if I can get it done. Can you all see that? I line up center here and I push this all the way in till I clear it. Wait, sorry. See that? Can you see? I can tell where my hole is. So 1, I'm going to add 3 holes, because this way if you wanted to add more than, and I'm hoping that I'm lined up, well, pretty much. There they are. They're not perfect, but you know what? When you dangle something from them, it's okay. Sorry, look at that. So that matches my binder I made a couple weeks ago. But I hung 2 different charms off of here. So that's one. Yay, isn't that cool? Sorry I had to... This is going to be a mishmash video. I'm going to do the other girls now too. Since I am making Happy Mail for my girls, you know I had won the Coach wristlet from Paula's site, which channel, which is Crafts by P. Willie. I'll link her channel below. So because I won this amazing giveaway, I said I was going to send her Happy Mail. So this is part of the Happy Mail. And then I made her little tags for her to use whenever she creates something. And the reason why I made so many is because once to make 5 in a print and cut version on the Cricut, you might as well fill the sheet. Because for me, I pay monthly for a certain amount of pages to print, and I might as well fill the page if I'm going to use it, or if I'm going to print it. So I made these, and hold on. I'm going to stick them in this cute little bag, which I just had. I swear I just had it. Oh my goodness. Here it is. I get these little bags at Walmart. They're over by the jewelry section. So I'm going to stick them in this cute little bag. Right? Isn't that adorable? And I'll put that in with her goodie bag. And then in her binder, I'm going to add that right there. How sweet, right? I am going to just... I have to admit, today was a very crafty, busy day. So last time I sent Shar Happy Mail, I included a pen. So this time I want to include one for Paula. I'm sure you guys have seen this. It's one of my favorite things to make because it's almost like, let's see if I can bring these in. It's almost like a mindless, easy, very gratifying craft to do. So you get Dollar Tree pens, flowers from the Dollar Tree, cut them up, and then you even get the floral tape from Dollar Tree, and you just wrap it around. See how I do that? Yep. And then you got this really cute, I love it. The thing is that I both have pen and pencils, and I really should have just done only pens, because sometimes I grab a flower and I'm like, what was that? And it was a pencil and I wanted a pen. And voila, we have a cute pen. Sweet, right? I want to get